All right, hey, I'm here at the O2 Forum in Kentish Town in London, and today I wanted to talk about groove in Burn Down Los Angeles. And it's very similar to the groove I play in All the Way, so I'll talk about, I guess, both of them kind of together, because I kind of play the same parts, just in a different tempo. And it really just has to do with the tom roll into the one. So it's just a basic swing pattern played on the floor tom. So right. So but then if you play a four-stroke rough, right? It actually kind of falls into the swing pattern. So you have. So, kinda, microscopically, but when you're doing a little tom roll, it's almost out of time. So it ends up being a three-stroke rough. So, so instead of it's. So you have that, and then so Burn Down Los Angeles is a little faster. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. I wanted to throw that hi-hat in it to give some symmetry to the groove. So you have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, right? Something like that. To kind of give the, I don't know, yeah, just to give it symmetry. So then live, I've kind of come up with.
How tall do you think everybody's? How tall is Scott? 5'5"?
Dude, shut your hole.
Damn it, McDonald!
I'm only filming a video right now. So sorry about that. So live, I figured out that I splashed the hi-hat on the one, so. Right? So yeah, that's so basically, and then all the fills are like triplet. Right, so that's hope that helps. So I'm going to sign off and let these guys tell jokes.